Hello everyone, this is KK646 and today's unboxing will be the Thermaltake Challenger Pro Gaming Keyboard. Stay tuned for more. So as you see here, we have the Thermaltake eSport. This is the Challenger Gaming Keyboard Pro. It has 10 micro keys, a obsolete backlight to control, a hand cooling fan, which is unique because this is the first keyboard in the world that comes with a onboard fan. Let's check out the features. And as you can see, it's illustrated on the box here that the graphic user interface setup. So as I said before, it's 2 times USB 2.0. It has 10 micro key setup. You have a multimedia key and 64 kilobytes of memory storage on the keyboard itself. You have an onboard switch profile. You have a backlight switch as well. You have removable W's, A, S, and D keys for additional keys. So if you want to switch out your regular keys, you can swap them for the red. Has a very sturdy cable. It's Windows optimizable. So just open the box, see what's inside. Now in the box, in the Challenger Gaming Keyboard Pro, you have accessories. One, you have the professional installation guide and CD, your warranty policy, the user manual that comes inside everything that comes inside that box. You have a key removal, a key holder or a key removal, and your extra A, D, S, and W, and your left, up, and right, and down keys. It comes with a very nice sturdy USB cable and the fan itself. All comes in that pouch, and the keys will come in that pouch as well. Now here's the keyboard itself. It's very nice touch. It has a very nice finish to it as well. As you got your micro keys, and when you plug this up, it does turn on red and lights up, and also it does have light up red inside the keys itself. And as I'm typing right now, it's very strong, very sturdy, it feels very high quality as well. Very good architecture of this keyboard here. Best Buy. And turn it around here and see you have 2 USBs. You have a USB to little HD USB here for this cable here, which is the USB cable. So you have to plug this in, the USB cable, into here and to USB. And that's where the fan goes if you don't need it, if your hands are already cool. The fan is also placed here so you can swap it, put it there, hide it somewhere if you like. But overall, the keyboard is very nice looking. It's very well made. And this is the Thermaltake eSports Challenger Gaming Keyboard Pro. I would recommend buying it. Well, this is KK646. Thanks for watching. Cheers.